So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about a penny stock. So after many days, since many people have requested to discuss few small cap companies which can give some good movement over the coming days. So we are going to discuss one such stock in today's video with complete technical analysis. Proper logic will be there, a fixed target, stop loss, everything will be covered in today's video. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And if you want any such videos in the future as well, so do like it. So now quickly, let's get to the stock. We'll discuss the complete technicals of it. Okay, so the stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be South India Bank share. So if you see, the current market price of the stock is somewhere around 18 rupees level. So if you observe last few trading sessions also, it has given a very good movement. So we discussed this particular stock in our premium group around 15 rupees level. So already it has given some very good profits, but still it has much more potential in the future because technically the stock is looking very strong and has given a proper breakout as well. So we'll try to discuss that once we go to the technical charts. But observing the day-to-day wise deliveries, so clearly we can see a steady delivery percentage is maintained. It implies that many people are buying this particular stock at regular intervals. So now let's go to the technical charts. Okay, so one more thing before getting to the technical charts, if you observe the financials of the company, you can see a turnaround results were posted by the stock, and obviously we know it is a banking stock, and in the banking segment a stock going continuously in such a manner implies there might be some strong reasons. Obviously that is the financials. So you can see year on year basis the company has given some very good increment in the revenues and the total incomes. So that particular note itself, the stock has started rallying. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts. You can see this is the monthly chart I've put on the South India Bank share because we are going to discuss about the long-term picture of it. So if you observe clearly, the stock was continuously coming down. So you can see the downfall from 32 rupees level. The stock has continuously come in the downside direction because we know this is the category or segment to which the stock that belongs is banking segment. And we know in that zone itself, we have a huge competition. Right, to sustain in that particular segment, obviously a strong customer base followed by strong fundamentally and results also should improve. So that was completely lagging in this particular stock since the previous years, but now since fundamentally and if you observe the last year results also, a very good increment is there. And one more most important thing is technically it has formed a very good chart pattern, that is the double bottom. So people who have idea about double bottom chart pattern, so basically it is a bullish type of a chart pattern and it is observed in a downtrend. So exactly that is what happened here, and breakout also is initiated. So that's the reason I've given this particular stock into the premium group members. And also you can see now it is completely going in the upside direction. So if you observe the target also, it will be the difference between the top and the bottom, and you can easily project a target till here in the midterm, that is in the short term. If everything goes good, so these targets around 25 rupees level you can observe in the stock, and after that it might come little bit down, retrace, and then again it might shoot up in the upside direction. So if you are planning to invest for the long term perspective, you can invest in this particular stock, followed by short term also it can give you a decent return. Right, so this was one of the major reasons. So first thing is results are very good. Second thing is technically also it has given a very good breakout. So on that particular note, you can put this particular stock in your watch list, and if you're interested you can do a research on this. And most important thing is since it is a penny type of a stock, so don't invest in heavy quantities. So put some decent amount which is not required for you, so that amount you can invest in this stock and leave it for the long term perspective. Right, so this is on monthly chart. So let's even try to look at the daily charts. Right, so if you observe the daily charts also, you can see continuous up move, then downfall, correction. So at every point a healthy movement is there. It's not like continuous upper circuits, it is going up, so that is obviously a trap. So here we can see a steady price action is there. So when buyers are coming at equal intervals, selling portion also is there, again it is retracing back. So that's the most important thing. So liquidity is present at every point of time. So if you are interested, so keep this stock in radar, and if you want more such stocks, then do like the video. So thank you for watching.